कळंगूट कांदोळेचो नियोजनबद्ध विकास करपा खातीर तो भाग उत्तर गोंय पिडीयेंत आस्पावपाची गरज आसा. तशेंच कम्युनिदाद जमनींतली बेकायदेशीर 54 बांदकामां आसा ती पाडटले म्हण म्हायती उपसभापती मायकल लोबोन दिल्या. आरडीएक्स गोवा खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर केन्झिल रॉड्रिगीस.
We have come out with this draft ODP of Kalangut and Kandolim and part Arpora. The area which is shown above is Arpora. And we are now back again asking further suggestion and objection. कित्याक जेन्ना आमी फायनल ODP करपाक घाल्ले तेन्ना सजेशन एंड ऑब्जेक्शन मागलेले लोकां कडले तेन्ना कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट येयलो. Code of conduct came and the process stopped just before the 2017 election. January आमचो 23rd was the last date. Before that, 1 month before that, code of conduct came and the process stopped. So this process with the government permission has started back again, and we have again given 60 days time for the people to give suggestion, objection. Now the last plan I am talking about, which we are referring, 2001 plan was made in 1987. Means was RP plan जो आम्ही फॉलो करता is 1987 भायर सरलेलो, नोटिफाय जाल्लो आणि तो आयज पासून आम्ही फॉलो करता 2017 2018. So it has touched 37 years. 31 years we are following the same plan of 1987. And there are some political opponents who have lost election. They are तेणी कितें NGOचो फॉर्म केला आनी म्हणटा की हो प्लॅन नाका. 37 years आमी सेम प्लॅन फॉलो करता. आता लोकांनी जी घरां तेंची धाकटुली आसली तेंचे कडेन आमच्या गोंयकारां कडेन थोडे पयशे जाले एक्स्ट्रा, तेणी मातशे व्हडले घर बांदले, गेस्ट हाऊस केले. वाय दोज हाऊसेस शुड नॉट बी रेग्युलरायज्ड? कोणे आपले पार्ट ऑफ द हाऊस तेणे आपले शॉप बांधले. वाय दीज हाऊसेस शुड नॉट बी रेग्युलरायज्ड? कोणाचो झोन आदीसून ऑर्चर्ड आसला तेका खबर ना आनी तेणे आपले आदीसून घर बांधलेले आहा. Why his land should not come into settlement zone? In 2014 December, means a decision was taken by the board in 2014 and final order was issued in January 2015. This area of Arpora, Part, Kalangut and Kandolim, Shinkerim up to Baga, full area is had to be in planning area, I think 10-15 years before, if we had to really do a good planning of this area. Better late than never, we brought this area in planning, under planning area, so that whatever land is remaining in this area, we make proper use of this land. Land which is scarce in our area, especially in the coastal belt, where lot of facilities had to be done for the people living in that area, for the tourists who visit this area during weekends and long holidays, international as well as Indian tourists. We had to plan this area in a proper way. The government says that tourism is increasing every year, and this is the area, the coastal belt, North Goa coastal belt. This is the area where the tourists come and stay. So for that we had to make a lot of provisions where the land was already the remaining part of the land which was there. या लँडान आमी कितलेशेच प्रोविजन केल्ले आहा. The land use map आमी पहिले स्टार्ट केले. The process of ODP, when it was declared as a planning area, land use map केला आमी. We gave around 8 to 9 months to the people of this area, coastal belt, from Baga to Shinkerim, Kalangut and Kandolim. All the people, we informed them through media, through church, through temple notices. Location on nearly 50,000 square meters of land is marked for this community hall and other recreational facilities around the Community hall. Transport zone has been marked in Kalangut because Kalangut is the vehicles which are coming in Kalangut, which we do not want them to come to right up to the beach because there is no parking facilities. So we have marked a transport zone where all the outstation vehicles will come and station over there, and from there they will have to use our local cabs, rickshaws, or tempo travelers to travel in the coastal belt. All these facilities are being marked. The things we will see that people will finally benefit out of this.
When you talk about scarcity of land, what is the total land available when you have developed this plan? Any idea?
See, whatever availability of land is there, which belongs to the community. Community is first is Comunidad. We are trying to explain to the Comunidad people that here it is like people just come and stay in your properties and then they claim that we are tenants. At least you give it to back to the people. Like we have built a garbage plant. We want a lot of gardens to come up in Kalangut. Kalangut is लोक म्हणटा इतले सॅच्युरेटेड जाल्ले आहा, इतले गेस्ट हाऊस येयल्या, हॉटेल्स येयल्या, बिल्डिंगात दिसतात. सो ग्रीनरी येवपाक जाय. जी लँड उरल्या आमच्या हातीन तितून थोडी तरी ग्रीनरी हाडया. सो लॉट ऑफ चिल्ड्रन पार्क्स फॉर एल्डरली सिनियर सिटीजन्स हे सगळे फॅसिलिटीज येवपाक जाय. तर आमी कामूय स्टार्ट केले. कांदोली आमी चिल्ड्रन्स पार्क एंड एल्डरली पीपल पार्क बांदपाक चालू केले.